look at adding a picture and some text to a label. The process is pretty much the same as what we did in the old version of Word. However, this version expects us to use a drawing canvas. Now, the drawing canvas was available in the last version of Word. Most of us turned it off, and I think we did that because we didn't just quite understand it. So let's take a look at the steps. I'll show you the application of the drawing canvas on this label, and then you can email me if you have any other questions or if I didn't quite understand the application you were trying to do. Starting on the Home tab, we're going to select Mailings because we want to do a label. There's an icon for labels. We'll pick that. You'll see the dialog box that you were used to seeing. We're going to go down to Options. One thing you want to check. Make sure you're on Avery US Letter. The default here is Microsoft, so you may have to change it. Then you're going to go down to the label that you wanted. I believe you said 5366. We'll pick that and say OK. And then we're going to say New Document. Now, on our label document, we want a drawing canvas. We only need to add it to the first label. The easiest place to find the drawing canvas is under Insert and Shapes. At the very bottom, you'll see a new drawing canvas. This will add a background. You will click on the edge and pull it over so it fits your label. It only has to fit the first label. Now, the second step is going to be to add the graphic. We're going to do that in a text box because this version of Word does not allow us to add the picture without having it in a manageable box. So I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to add a text box, and I want to draw my own. Once I have a space to put the picture, I'll go back to the Insert tab, click on Clip Art, and I already searched for computer. I'm just going to drag this picture of a disc over here. I'm going to size it, and that's good. When I click back in the label, I'll see my drawing canvas. I now want to add my text. So I'm going to go up again, click on the down arrow by the text box, go to the bottom, find the Draw text box, and I'll draw that shape on my canvas. At that point, I can type in whatever I want to type. If I'm happy with the label the way it is, I can copy it to the other labels. I don't like having the borders around these, so I'm going to click on the first one to activate it. Right now I'm on the text portion, and when I right-click on the edge, got to catch the edge, I can go to Format Text Box. I want to be on the Colors and Lines tab. I'm going to go down to Line, and where it says Color, I'm going to say No Color. Click OK. That gets rid of the border. I'm going to do the same to the clip art picture. I'm going to right-click on the edge, format the text box. When I get to the dialog box, click on Colors and Lines, go to Line, pull down the colors, and say No Color. When I say OK, that border will also disappear. Now, the drawing canvas has grouped our items for us. So you're going to click on the edge of the drawing canvas, right-click, and copy it. Click in the next label, right-click, and paste it. Click in the next label, right-click, and paste it. And you can continue to do this until all of the squares or labels that you want to have are completed. I hope this helps. If you have other questions, just email me at aschmitz@d211.org, and we'll have to get together and take a look at what we can do to get you up and running. Thanks much.